What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a 23-hour challenge in this haunted U-Haul at 3 a.m.
And hopefully nothing bad happens to us. Guys, it is currently 3 a.m. as you can see. And like, bro, nothing crazy or out of the blue has happened yet in this haunted truck.
What the heck?
Yo, what just happened?
It's haunted!
Yo, the truck!
It's breathing!
Oh, what? Guys, let me see this. I'll show you. Guys, it's breathing. It is literally breathing. Whoa. Guys, don't worry. Okay. Oh, jeez. That actually happened.
Oh my
Why
god!
did the light actually go out?
Deep throat with her lips to my whistle. Come give me a tune. Deep throat when she blows my flute.
Hey guys, what you doing?
Cocaine!
I thought that was Uno.
Hey Andrew, what you doing?
I'm just eating my noodles.
Oh, wow, they look good.
Yeah, they're good. What? What? What?
Whoa! Is that lettuce? Guys, it's haunted! Oh! Boom! Get out of here! Let's go! Eat it! I won! Bro, where are you going? Bro, it's okay. Wait, where'd it go? Did Cinto just get taken? Wait. Guys, it is currently 3:01 a.m. and like, to be honest, not a lot of crazy stuff has been going on. Like, I thought it was gonna be really spooky because, you know, it's a haunted truck at 3 a.m. and, you know, just nothing has happened. Like, it's honestly crazy.
Oh my gosh! Is that a limited edition Mountain Dew? I just remembered. A word from my sponsor. Oh! Before I downloaded Raid Shadow Legends, I used to be bullied. And once I downloaded it, I was still bullied. But, you know, it's fun. It's a super fun game. It's easy and fun for the whole family. Make sure to download Raid Shadow Legends, link in bio. Oh, you there, sir?
What?
Do you play Raid Shadow Legends?
Raid Shadow Legends? Raid Shadow Legends?
Yeah.
I hate Raid Shadow Legends!
So, I'm gonna begin to read the top and most helpful reviews about Raid Shadow Legends. This review was written by Ben Dover. I walked down the hallway and saw my wife with Talking Ben. The next part was absolutely horrifying. I saw them in my bed, and Talking Ben and my wife were having a wrestling match with my wife screaming his name. Wait. You know, this is too inappropriate. Let's just skip this part. Once I went in my children's room, I saw Bonquiqui and Baklabe Bookies and Mike. Dismembered bodies all over the wall. Bro, what is this, bro? What is this game? You know what? It's a fun game, so I recommend link in bio.
Well, I don't know, guys. I think we're gonna need to get some sleep for now because, like, it's 3:01 a.m. and I'm tired. So We'll see you guys in the morning. Another great morning. Wait, where is everyone? I gotta go get them. What the heck? I woke up in the middle of the street. Bro, surprised I didn't get hit by a car, honestly. What? What happened to you?
Wait a minute. My hoodie, the girls put it back to normal? That ain't no drip.
Whoa, what happened to you?
What? My underwear! I'm wearing underwear! Breaking news. Young girl by the name of Katie Paris was reported missing. The girl was reported missing at 3:02 a.m. Her description as short, white, and annoying. What's that? Oh. Burger King has now released their new burger with foot legs.
That one's worse.